Hello everyone, we're here to do another EV site, charging site overview. We're here at the Tucumcari Electrify America chargers. And you can see here are the chargers. One of them though doesn't have all green LED highlighting lights. It's white there. Charger number 3. And it's right over here at the Love's Travel Stop. Here's a satellite image. It's just off exit 333 on I-40 at the interchange with US 54 bypass. There's a lot of truck traffic, as you can see over there. So yeah, here's an overview of the Electrify America chargers here. Just a standard Ford charger setup here. And I'll show you the pricing. It hasn't changed. It's just the typical. So it's 16 cents a minute and 32 cents a minute for above 90 kilowatts. Members only pay 12 cents and 24 cents. So it's really good pricing. It's only like $4 a month, I think. So yeah, here's the unit number 4. Charger ID 100134-04. This one has the CHAdeMO, the one CHAdeMO at 50 kilowatts. And it's always hard to remove. And there's the CHAdeMO. It's pretty heavy. And then there's the CCS. The button seems to work okay, I guess. And this one has just like the typical 3 contacts for the AC, you know, the ground, pilot, and proximity. So yeah, that's number 4. And then the others are over here. And back behind here are the cabinets. These are ABB units. So the stickers have peeled or fell off or something. And this says cash only, but it probably means that this charger's offline and doesn't have internet access right now. And it says 1:51 a.m. but oh yeah, this might have an error because it doesn't even display its charger number. So this charger might not have internet connection right now. And yeah, this one has the correct time, so it's working okay. Again, a maximum of 350 kilowatt output, just like the last charger. And charger number 1 only has 150 kilowatt output, just like charger number 4. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this quick overview of the Electrify America charging site in Tucumcari, New Mexico. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out my other travel-related videos and get subscribed so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone.